Onewheel, an electric skateboard, gained popularity when released back in 2014. Till now, 7 variations of Onewheel boards have been released, making it easy and fast for the users to travel a short distance. But recently in 2022, the US Consumer Product Safety Commission, CPSC, imposed a ban on all the models of Onewheel due to safety issues. In today's video, we'll analyze the cause of this ban. We'll also cover every detail about the boards from its beginning to downfall. So, without any delay, let's start the video. The Onewheel is a single-tired electric board manufactured by Future Motion Inc. The CEO of this company, Kyle Dirksen, built an early prototype far back in 2008. He even left his job and the company Future Motion Inc., focusing more on the Onewheel project. After creating multiple prototypes within the next 4 years, Dirksen and his team finally launched the Onewheel on Kickstarter in 2013, where it gained huge traction because of its uniqueness. Ultimately, the original Onewheel was available for all from 2014. With the growing popularity, 2 years later after the release, the first official Onewheel race took place during the GoPro Mountain Games. From then, the fame and prize of the race increased each year significantly. Till now, there have been 7 Onewheel models released. The original Onewheel model, which was released in 2014, included pressure-sensitive footpads that helped to balance the board, LED lights for night rides, and a mobile app with Bluetooth connectivity. Then they unleashed the Onewheel Plus, which was the first board with a hypercore motor, and the Onewheel Plus XR that ensured longer rides because of its 18 miles per charge feature. The Onewheel Pint had features like an LED display showing battery life and a range of 6-8 miles. In 2021, 2 new models were introduced, the Pint X and the GT. The GT model provided a 32-mile range, improved design, and treaded tires. Finally, Future Motion announced the GTS series last year. This latest model was faster, lighter, and slimmer than all the previous Onewheel models. The 50% more voltage provided a maximum speed of 25 miles per hour. One of the most remarkable features of Onewheel is its ability to climb up a terrain. The brushless motor and gyroscopes help the rider to keep their balance all the time. The downfall of Onewheel started from a combination of issues. Their strict right to repair policies drew criticism, with the company initially resisting third-party modifications and repairs. The Onewheel GT version faced a significant setback with a voluntary recall of 20,500 front footpads due to a ghosting issue where the board would accelerate even without a rider on it. In 2022, the US Consumer Product Safety Commission, CPSC, sent out a warning to consumers to discontinue using Onewheel boards for safety reasons, as there were several cases of riders being ejected from the board. These caused many serious injuries, even death. From 2019 to 2021, at least 4 people died, and injuries ranging from fractures to brain injuries and paralysis were reported. Some of these incidents happened due to the boards coming to a sudden stop when in motion. After the warning, Future Motion decided to recall all the units of their electric skateboards in mid-2023. For further safety measurement, the latest Onewheel boards, excluding the original and Plus models, received a firmware update. This update included a feature called haptic buzz, where users receive an alert if the board runs out of power. One thing we can say is that the Onewheel is one of the most innovative and unique micromobile gadgets used for day-to-day transportation. With its uncommon design and features that upgrade with each release, Onewheel is surely on top of every commuter's wishlist. Still, safety concerns remain, as there are no handlebars, proper foot placement, and protection from road debris. These issues create uncertainty among the riders questioning the safety of the board. Riders are more likely to be inclined towards electric scooters as they are safer and easier to learn. But, with proper safety regulations and making sure to wear a helmet for every ride, electric boards can be a game changer in our daily life traveling. Thanks for watching. Let us know if you think the ban is reasonable or not in the comment section. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more.